Takagi T-H3-DV-N Condensing Gas Tankless Water Heater. The best gas tankless water heater, according to our research, is the Takagi T-H3-DV-N Condensing Gas Tankless Water Heater. This tankless water heater provides a powerful solution to delivering hot water to various areas around your house. The device offers an endless supply of hot water and features a compact size, making it more appropriate for the installation in areas that have limited space available. The Takagi T-H3-DV-N Condensing Gas Tankless Water Heater is compliant with rule number 1146.2 of the 2012 SCAQMD, which means it has a low NOx Emission rating, making this device environmentally friendly as well. The Takagi T-H3-DV-N Condensing Gas Tankless Water Heater can heat up to 10 gallons of water per minute. The device also comes with a built-in safety feature that automatically detects any red flags and acts accordingly to ensure no complications develop.